Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. People from mining belt paid almost 833 crores of outstanding loan. Barge owners due to pay only 245 crores. Maharashtra continues work of Virdi Dam and Canal violating Mhadei tribunal's order. WRD officers inspect dam site not in same shape. FDA begins state-level massive drive against illegal meat trade, shuts down almost 45 meat shops for operating without permissions. Delay in payment keeps ambitious projects of Goa government on hold. Panji jetty construction, parking plaza and Baga parking lot development on hold. And Salgaonkar Sports Club defeats Dempo Cricket Club by 45 runs. Salgaonkar almost through in finals. Kuldeep Diwan man of the match. Now the news in detail. People from mining belt have paid almost 833 crores of outstanding loan amount despite of mining ban since September 2012. Barge owners fraternity said that they are due to pay only 245 crores and demanded that the government should formulate a scheme through EDC and help them pay off their pending loan.
Government imposed a blanket ban on mining in Goa in September 2012. When mining was banned, barge owners were facing a loan of 363 crores. Machinery owners were due for 250 crores, while truck owners were due to pay whopping 800 crores of loan. But despite of mining ban and lull in income generation, mining dependents, truck, tippers and machinery owners paid almost 833 crores of loan due to banks. 245 crores are outstanding by barge owners, while truck, tipper and machinery owners are due to pay 326 crores. Now barge owners demand that government formulate a scheme to help barge owners to pay this last leg of installment of 245 crores.
ते जर क्लोज करपाक जाय जाल्यार थोड्या बँके रेडी आसा एका नोडल एजन्सीक लोन दिवपाक गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या खंयच्याय. सो इफ दॅट लोन अमाउंट 250 कोटी रुपया, इफ देर आर 5 banks, they are willing to give 50 crores each to the nodal agency, say ADC or any other nodal agency. If that 250 कोटी तो दीत जाल्यार this full government can give the loan to the nodal agency. Government then disburses that money to the individual borrowers. We close the loan accounts. Okay, our loan remains on our heads 250 CR, but at least we'll be able to close the bank loans. So at one shot, cooperative banks, EDC as well as nationalized banks all will be out of this hassle. The loan will be with the nodal agency. Now this 250 koti rupiah can be repaid in a period of 7 years, 7 to 10 years on a soft loan basis. When banks are giving loans to the government agency, they always give at a reduced rate. They cannot give to us again because we are already defaulters. We can recover the money from the barge owners and give it to the nodal agency. So recovery also is easily possible.
Reporter Mhadei for Prudent.
Maharashtra is continuing with the work of Virdi Dam and Canal even after Mhadei tribunal's order to maintain status quo. Environmentalists have expressed worry over the work which is carried out by violating tribunal's order. Sources say that work is carried out illegally by using concrete and other material. However, when WRD officers inspected Virdi Dam on Wednesday, there were no workers at the site, but the site was not in the same shape.
Actually, as per the tribunal order, they are not supposed to do anything. Protection wall.
पर्यावरणवादी राजेंद्र केरकार विडी वचून परिस्थिती पळोवन आयलो. तो म्हणटा काम चलतालें. प्रकरण म्हादय लवादामेरेन पावयतलो.
महाराष्ट्र सरकारान चालू केले थंयसर जो एक तेंच्यांनी बोगदो मारलेलो पाणी व्हरपा खातीर तेचें काम तेंच्यांनी एका बोगद्याचें काम पुराय केल्लें आसा. लवादान तांकां स्पश्टपणान सांगलेलें कर्नाटक आनी महाराष्ट्राक की काम जैसे ते दवरपाचे पूण हांव जेन्ना त्या वाठारांत भेट दिल्ली तेन्ना म्हाका थंय महाराष्ट्राचे जे JCB आसा किंवा ट्रक आसा हे त्या कामांत गुंतलेले पळोवपाक मेळ्ळे आनी ह्या संदर्भात हांवें त्या जो कंत्राटदार आसलो ताचो मनीस आसलो ताका विचारले तेन्ना तेणी सांगले की आमी काम जे आसा ते काम करिनात पूण हांवें प्रत्यक्ष पळयलें जाल्यार थंय तें काम चालू आसलें आनी तेजे फोटो बी हांवें घेतलेले आसा.
म्हादय लवादा मुखार विर्डीची सुनावणी एप्रिलांत जातली. लवादा मुखार महाराष्ट्राचें कर्म एक्सपोज करपाची तयारी गोंयची टीम करता.
FDA has begun a state-level massive drive against illegal meat trade. FDA team has shut down almost 45 meat shops for operating without permissions. FDA, along with Goa Pollution Control Board, Health Department officials will continue to raid beef shops across the state. Meat shop owners complain of harassment by the government authorities. The move is on while the neighbouring state of Maharashtra has banned beef.
FDA started its action against meat traders operating illegally in the state. Till now, they have asked 45 meat traders to close down their premises for operating in the state without FDA license. Along with the FDA license, Goa Pollution Board will check the pollution aspect and Health Department will investigate the quality and grade of the meat.
ऑल ओव्हर गोवा आमी आतां स्लॉटरिंग हाऊस इन्स्पेक्शन चालू केल्या तांकां लायसन्स ना म्हणून आनी हायजिनीक कंडिशन्स ते मेंटेन करिना म्हणून. हांगा स्लॉटरिंग तेंचे फॅसिलिटीज सगळ्यो आसा पूण आतां ऑपरेट केल्ले कांय दिसना.
Meanwhile, FDA seized 35 tons of animal fat and 50 kg of beef in the raid held at Mershe. The FDA official claimed that the butcher was operating without FDA license.
आमी हांगा अशरफ बीफ शॉप मोलक्का मेर्शे विदाउट लायसन्स ऑपरेट करतालो म्हणून ताका बंद केला. ते ऑलरेडी म्हणटात 2-3 दीस बंद आसा म्हणून पूण आमकां भितर एक 50-60 किलो मासे मेळ्ळा आनी फाटल्यान आमी एनिमल फॅट तेणी एक्सट्रॅक्ट केले जवळ जवळ 30 डबे मेळ्ळे. त्या डब्यांतले आमी सॅम्पलूय काडला आनी ताका सांगलां ते विकूं नाका म्हणून आनी ताका आमी सांगलां ते डिस्ट्रॉय कर म्हणून. ताका लायसन्स ना ह्या कारणान आमी ताका ऑपरेट करपाचो बंद करपाक मेळ्ळा.
Owner of the beef shop claims that he has been operating since Portuguese regime.
लायसन्स आसा स्लॉटरिंग हांगा जायना. स्लॉटरिंग कर्नाटका जाता. कर्नाटकाच्यान मास येता 4 पीस येता आनी आमकां सर्टिफिकेट येता आनी थंयचे आमी हाडून ते हांगा मागीर कट करून विकता. लायसन्साक आमची खूब वर्सां जालेली आसा लायसन्स काडून. पुर्तुगेज टायमाचे लायसन्स आसा आमचे कडेन.
Meat traders in the state are annoyed with the government. They complain of harassment by the government authorities.
आमची गव्हर्नमेंट कांय करना आमकां. आतां आमकां लागून ते मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स हे केला ट्रेडर्साक लागून. ट्रेडर्साक कांय हे जायना हेल्प जायना.
Earlier this year, animal lover Amrut Singh and Gowansh Raksha Abhiyan member Hanumant Parab had to face attack following their opposition to the illegal slaughtering in the state. Following this attack, the animal lover activists and organizations have hit the streets to demand a complete ban on illegal cow slaughter across the state and are stepping up pressure on this government. The whole episode has annoyed beef lovers, especially when the neighboring state Maharashtra has already banned beef in their state. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Anjana police has arrested 2 thieves from Karnataka in various thefts. Both are involved in 3 house-breaking cases, 5 auto thefts and many chain-snatching cases in Goa. Police have recovered goods worth 15 lakh rupees. Police is suspecting their involvement in many other theft cases. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.